Good morning students of class 3, and this is your GK class. So students, today we are going to do word pyramid, that is page number 64 and 65. And I know you will be just surprised because ma'am has not done what is suppose an activity. Yes, I will do it, but this will be one activity class with pictures for all of you. So for just wait for tomorrow, because I'm going to upload this one very excitingly. Okay, so it will be along with the pictures and movements and descriptions for you. So it's a special topic and it should be represented in a special way, right? So let us do some literature part which needs some explanation on the board. Now it's the part today, what word pyramid we are doing, it's a part of English language. Okay, language and literature part. So let us start how to play with words. Okay, fill in the word pyramid. Okay, fill in this word pyramid. It has been said, start at the top. Each next word has an extra letter. These are the clues to guess the words. So here we have been given some clues and we have to guess the word, and here has been given the pyramid. So we have to start from the top, that is number 1, to last. So I'm going to make the pyramid on the board and I'm going to read the clues from the book. So you just listen the clues, try to understand them, I will explain them, and then after we will complete our word pyramid. Okay, so first one is a word for myself is. So in English, the word which you use for yourself, and it is when I'm using for myself any word, then what I told? I. What I told? I. Yes. So let us write down the first word, that is I. Okay. So this one is my first box. Next clue. If I am not out, I am. So if you are not out, what is the opposite word of out? Yes, exactly. It's in. So let us make 2 boxes and write down our next word, that is I. I added with I and in. Okay, so with the existing word we are going to add some letters, more letters. Okay, now murder and greed are 2 examples of what? If you are doing bad things, then what it is being said? You have done a great sin. Yes, पाप. sin माने की पाप. sin का मतलब होता है पाप करना. तो पाप का इंग्लिश वर्ड क्या हो गया? sin. Okay, so let's start. Now I will divide this space into 3. So let us make 3 boxes. Here 1 and here 2. So now with IN, I am going to add SIN, sin, pap. Okay, and what about punya? Good deeds. Okay, good deeds. Now, next number 4. I have a good musical voice. I can. So those who are having a very good voice, and if it is having some rhythm, then what it has been said? It has been said, I can sing. Those who can sing, they are having beautiful voice. Yes, exactly. So let us now make the box for 4, because SIN, now we are going to add G. So here is coming SIN G. Okay, sing. Now let us go for the next one, that is number 5. Scorpions, bees and wasps have a painful. So here it has been said, scorpions, bees, wasps, when they bite you. Actually, it's not said bite, it has been said sting. they are having one sting. In science subject also you have learned, I hope your science teacher has already discussed about this one, that insects like webs, scorpions and bees, they are having stings. Okay, so what is the spelling of that one? Let us join and make one more box over here. It should be a little bit bigger because we are going to join one more letter. It's sting, S-T-I-N-G. Okay, it's sting, হুল, যেটাকে আমরা বাংলায় হুল ফোটানো বলি. Okay, that the English word is sting. Next comes violins, guitars and sitars are dash instruments. So when you are using or playing violin, guitar or sitar, you can see that we are having lots of what? When we are using sitar, we are having the music, that tune comes out from some of the vibrations of string. Yes, they are string instruments. String, tar thake tar moddhe, right? So those are called strings. So let us make it a little bit bigger because we are going to join one more alphabet, S T R I N G. So it's string. Okay, here comes the word string, S-T-R-I-N-G. Next is the girl is continuously looking at the picture she is. So if at one moment you are just looking at one particular thing without blinking, then it has been said staring. ওকে, বড় বড় চোখ করে যখন আমরা মা আমাদের দিকে তাকায়, মা কি করে? স্টিয়ার করে. ওকে, সো স্টিয়ারিং. সো লেট আস রাইট দ্য ওয়ার্ড. And here comes the word steering, S-T-A-R-I-N-G. And just notice students, only one alphabet is being enhanced. Every time we are just enhancing one alphabet. Okay, now let us go for the next one. That is, hurry up, the film is dash in 5 minutes. So film is going to start in 5 minutes. So hurry up, come on, let's go. So here comes starting. The film is starting in 5 minutes. The film is starting in 5 minutes. So let us make the box little bit bigger because one more alphabet is going to include in this box. S-T-A-R-T-I-N-G, starting. Okay, so here comes the word starting. And the next one is shocking, unexpected, amazing and sterling. Okay, we cannot explain it, I cannot describe it, it was sterling. Okay, so that is the new word. So let us start with the next word, and one more alphabet is going to include in this word. So here is the new word, S-T-A-R-L-I-N and G. So here comes the new word, T. S-T-A-R-T-L-I-N-G, sterling. So here is the new word. Now this was A. This was A. Now let us go for B. Now it is going reverse. Now let us do it other way around. Remove one letter at each step to get new word. Now one word has been given and we have to remove one letter from every step, and we have to make a new word. So it will just go upside down. So let us do the B one. I hope everyone has completed this one along with me. So let us start with the new one. So here comes B, and the word has been given to us is sprain. S-P-R-A-I-N, and this word is of 6 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now I have to remove one letter. So let us remove R and write down. I will make it a little bit shorter because now it's only S-P-A-I-N. Spain. Right? Now let us remove one more letter. And now let us write down S-P-A-N, span. That is time, limited time. Okay. Now let us write down, remove one more letter and make it small. So now I can write P-A-N, pan. Now I can remove another one letter and make it of 2, that is A-N, an. Now I can remove one more letter and make it only 1, that is A. So here in 6 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, in 6 steps I have made the 6-letter word to 1-letter word. And in the previous question A, we have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9-letter words to 1-letter word. Okay, from 1-letter word we started and we completed to 9-letter words, and whereas here from 6-letter word we started and we deducted 1 letter each and we made the word A. Okay. So the last activity, number C, it has been given for your practice. You will do it. Find out a word with 5 or 6 letter and you just make it. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, you can start with one particular letter and you can make up to 6-letter word. So try it. Okay, when you are having some time after your studies, because I know your examination is going to start. But to refresh yourself, instead of playing any mobile game, you can play this game. It's very interesting. Okay, bye bye students. I will be back again in new session.